This is a deck of Russian playing cards. And when I say Russian, I mean in order to learn Russian. It's from a company called Lingo. You can get them on Amazon. This is an older version. I think they've updated like the look and feel of the cards, the design a little bit, but the same idea. You get an actual deck, nice Russian flag here, of playing cards. So when I say deck of playing cards, I mean you got 2 jokers, 4 suits, from ace, king, queen. So the whole gambit here. So you could just use them as an upgraded deck of cards. But I think it's really cool to learn some Russian while you play cards, perhaps. On one joker card here, you've got numbers and you've got colors, phrases, and words that are very useful when you're first learning. So common phrases, ya no mani pa, I don't understand, da, niet, a whole bunch of stuff. I myself am a beginner, so this is absolutely fantastic for me. Pronunciation is going to be tricky. You might want to stick it into YouTube and find out how to pronounce these things, because the romanization at the bottom of each word here might be a little off. And, these are approximations. So that's the limitation of that. But you can do some study of the alphabet kind of at the same time while you're reading the English transliteration here. So a lot of fun. Great idea for learning languages. Lingua does have these cards for different languages. Same concept. I think not all of them might necessarily have flags, but a great idea for learning language. Recommend.